Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called Google Classroom. Now select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use. Then click on this plus button and join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.